Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Mopar day today. We have this Dodge Challenger behind us. It is an RT, a scat pack indeed. It's a great vehicle, so much fun. These cars love to blow the tires off, but there's a problem. The factory exhaust really leaves a lot to be desired with those strange electronic valves that break and rattle all the time. So this customer in particular was looking for some more flexibility. Now they put on an X-pipe and a rear muffler delete, and quite honestly the vehicle was extremely drony, and he's from New York. You can see from the license plate, from New York, and they've got those cameras and stuff, so he needs a way to shut the exhaust to make it nice and quiet so he doesn't get in trouble. From factory, these actually do have exhaust valves, but they're just position valves in the exhaust path with no diversion, and they're tied to throttle position. It doesn't really do much in terms of changing the sound, they just happen to rattle and break. So here's what we did. In the midsection, right behind the X-pipe, there's actually a little bit of space there for the universal mufflers. It's a dual 3-inch setup. After his X-pipe, we put the mufflers in, and then in the rear, we ran the same muffler delete section. Everything has been installed here in Boyertown, Pennsylvania at our facility. The reason we're so excited for this project is because we have so many people who have really enjoyed the universal valve mufflers, whether it's on a 5.7, a 6.4, a 6.2 supercharged, Hellcat, or Trackhawk. So many people have used these mufflers, but we've never made an internal video about how well they work for this platform. Behind, you can see mufflers are in the center, and then the muffler deletes out to the side. Additionally as well, we want to make sure that you guys know you can put the mufflers in the rear on this Challenger and on Chargers, whether it's a V8 or V6 or a Scat Pack or Hellcat. You can fit them up here, but this customer wanted to have them in the midsection, and they wanted to have these nice carbon fiber tips coming out of the back. So again, for all the Challenger and Chargers, the mufflers fit. They give huge flexibility, whether it's a 3.6 Pentastar V6 Challenger or Charger, a 5.7 RT, a 6.4 like this car, Scat Pack, or the supercharged V8 Hellcats. The mufflers give huge flexibility in 3-inch configuration and just allow you to have a more flexible experience for your Charger or Challenger. These cars are so fun, but they are very compromised from the exhaust configuration because there's so many of them produced, and at Valvetronic, we wanted to bring you guys the ultimate setup. Don't go out and spend a bunch of money on another exhaust system. Just do a mid muffler delete and then a rear muffler delete. Add the Valvetronic universal mufflers. Huge flexibility. You can add headers. It's the best setup, and we'll show you why in this video. Of course, startup, revs, flybys, hard acceleration. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper as well, and we're gonna show you guys how good it sounds in the interior as well. These cars are so fun. Let's get to it. Guys, inside the Challenger right now, with the valves open, you get a nice, deep Mopar aggressive sound. It's a really nice experience, just like it was with the X-Pipe and the rear muffler delete. Gets a nice overrun as well, but the best thing, closing the exhaust brings this thing back to being like it is bone stock. Listen, all the Trackhawks, Hellcats, all the Scat Packs, even an RT like this Challenger is hugely aided from the flexibility of the Valvetronic mufflers. This car now has no compromise. You want to put headers on it? Easy. You don't have to worry about your neighbors or your girlfriend or having your kids in the car. It doesn't matter anymore because you have the flexibility. That's why the Valvetronic universal mufflers are so special, is because it's not a crazy amount of money. You just do this, you put the universal mufflers in instead of doing a mid or rear muffler delete. Do a mid muffler delete, put them in the rear, and then you have huge flexible sound with no compromise. And the mufflers are not crazy expensive either in comparison to some of these other exhaust configurations out there. The factory exhaust on these cars is actually quite large, so changing it out to do a different exhaust setup, I would just say save your money. Get the best exhaust configuration for a very reasonable price. Universal mufflers, do that mid muffler delete, and man, you're in great shape. Enough talking though. Let's get to the sound. Kinda slippy.
Whoa!
Very nice. Right now, guys, we're driving with the valves closed, but it still sounds good. It's just not that loud. You get a lot of intake noise, but not a lot of exhaust, which is nice. And the Valvetronic universal mufflers are designed so that you can still enjoy the car with the valves closed, but not have a bad experience. Perfect when you start the car in the morning. Huge flexibility. Now we're going to open them.